this is what you get. Let's unbox this real quick. Let's see what it looks like. Put it over there. You just flip it up like so. And you're greeted with the case. It says simple but unique. So you get two parts because the zfold3 has a front and a back. That is nice packaging, as you can see. Get everything out real quick. Put that over there. Let's see what you get. So you get the front housing of the case. There is no, I don't see any adhesive, so I hope this will sit on the phone pretty snug, but it feels soft. It's hard, it feels soft though. It says Torres there. Then you also get the back cover for your case. You get the back cover of the case for the device right here. So this is like, I asked for the non-clear version of the case. That does feel good. So it has like a little fall color. There's no adhesive, but this is the instructions. If you want to read the instructions, you can. I believe this is showing that there is some adhesive, but I don't, hold on, let me see here. See any on here? Nope, no adhesive. So now I'm going to pick up my zfold3 and we're going to place this on the device and get a walk around the device with the case on, and I'll let you know what I think. But overall, it does feel good so far. First, let's place the back on like so. Just like that. It's on there. Back is on there good and snug. And I also do have a camera lens on there, and it's still on there. Now let's place the front on. Just like that. And this is what it will look like if you have the Torres case for your zfold3. Of course, there is no protection on for the hinge. The hinge is naked, but this case does feel good in my hand. You are really not getting any kind of lip action at all. You get a little bit, you know, but no one's really placing their zfold3 flat on the table like this. Usually it's closed and then it's placed flat down on the table, but you do get a little lip, not too much, but you get easy access to your power button. Right there's easy access. You get nice buttons, nice clicky buttons for your volume up and down. Don't have to worry about that. Down here you do get good access to your ports, USB-C port, your microphone and your speaker port, your speaker and your microphone port. Nothing here. At the top here you get all your little cutouts, as you can see there. Overall, this does look nice and it feels nice. Now if you were to drop your device with this case on, you can damage it. You may be able to damage it because this is a slim case, and as I'm noticing, the back side is a little higher. You can see that the back side sits a little higher and thicker than the front housing of the case, which is kind of weird. I don't know if they meant to do that, but it does sit a little tad bit higher. I don't know how well you can see that, but as you can see, there's more here than it is here. This is bigger, this is flatter, but you do get a nice cutout for your camera. So if you place your phone flat down on the table, you should have nothing to worry about at all. You do get a nice lip in the front of the device, but it's like I said, you should always have a screen protector on your device to make it even better. And you get your cutout for your speaker at the top. Overall, this does look and feel good, and like I said, it says Torres. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll Catch you in the next video. I'm out.